I'm so glad you're here today because we're going to be talking about something really important: how to get out of credit card debt fast. I know paying off debt can seem really overwhelming and even impossible sometimes. But stick with me, because today I'm going to share my best tips for crushing credit card debt once and for all. Let's start with why getting out of debt is so important. Carrying high credit card balances month after month can make it really hard to get ahead financially. All that money you're paying in interest to the credit card companies is money you could be using to reach your goals. Whether it's saving up for a house, taking a dream vacation, or even starting your own business, debt makes reaching your dreams a lot harder. The good news is, with some determination and the right strategy, you absolutely can get out of debt, and faster than you might think. It starts with making a plan. First, take some time to add up all your credit card balances and interest rates. You need to know exactly what you're working with before making a plan. Track down those statements or go online and log into your accounts. Write down every single credit card, the balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. This first step is so key. Next, make a budget. Account for all your regular monthly expenses like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Then look for areas where you may be able to cut back, even if just temporarily, while you tackle your debt. Any extra money you can free up can go straight toward credit card payments. Now it's time to actually start paying off that debt. Here are 5 powerful strategies. Number 1, the debt snowball. With this method, you'll list your debts from smallest balance to largest. Then every month you'll put any extra money towards paying off the smallest debt first. Once the smallest is paid off, move to the next smallest and so on. This gives you quick wins in the beginning that will motivate you to keep going. Number 2, the debt avalanche. With this method, you list your debts from highest interest rate to lowest and focus on paying off the most expensive debt first. This method may allow you to pay off your debt a little more quickly by reducing the total interest you pay. Number 3, balance transfers. Many credit cards offer 0% interest balance transfer promotions. You can transfer other high-interest balances over and pay no interest on them during the promo period, usually 12 to 18 months. This pause in interest can help you pay down the balances much faster. Make sure to read the fine print. Number 4, consolidation loans. You may be able to qualify for a personal loan with a lower interest rate than your credit card and use it to pay off your credit card balances all at once. Then you make just one monthly payment on the loan. Make sure you don't run the credit cards back up though. And number 5, ask creditors for better rates. Pick up the phone, call your credit card companies, and kindly ask them if they can reduce your interest rates. You may be surprised how often they'll work with you, even lowering rates by several percentage points. Alright, so you've made your debt payoff plan. It's time to put your head down and get to work. I have 2 big tips here. First, stay motivated. Remind yourself every day why you started this journey. Picture the burden lifted once you're debt-free. Maybe even do something small to celebrate each time you pay off a card. And second, if you mess up, just start again the next day. We all slip up sometimes. Don't beat yourself up. Just get right back at it the very next day. Consistency over time is key. Let's talk timeline real quick. If you really buckle down, live fairly frugally, and put any extra money towards debt, you could potentially pay off all your consumer debt in 1 to 2 years. Yes, that soon. Now I know living frugally and putting all extra money towards debt doesn't sound fun. But try to see it as temporary. Time flies by when you have a mission. Stay focused on the end goal of becoming debt-free, and it'll make the sacrifices easier. Okay, we covered a lot today, from making a debt payoff plan, strategies to pay down balances faster, tips to stay motivated, and a realistic timeline. I know you can do this. In 1 or 2 years' time, you can be debt-free and on your way to achieving your biggest financial goals. I believe in you, friends. If you commit to the strategies we went over today, you are going to crush your credit card debt so fast. Just take it 1 month at a time. If you ever feel discouraged or need a pep talk, Come back to this video and soak up some motivation. Now I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments, what's your number one motivation for paying off your debt? What's your plan of attack? Which payoff strategy are you going to try? How are you going to celebrate progress along the way? You've got this. I can't wait to hear about your debt payoff journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.